Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to add legend in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is click on the chart area itself. Once we're here, go and click on the plus sign, which says Chart Elements when you hover over it. Click on that and check on the legend checkbox. Once you do so, these two legends on the right side should appear. You can also change the orientation of these legends by clicking on top, bottom, or left. But for now, let's try bottom. To rename these, click on the chart you have and go to Select Data on the data group. Now that we are here, we can just rename these. All you have to do is adjust it to the proper color. Let's say Series 1 should be called as Electricity Bill. And Series 2 should be called Average. Once you click OK, there we have it. We just managed to add our legend in Microsoft Excel.